with the development of industry. Can you do that? To support productivity, some of these devices are very large. Therefore, there are many challenges faced when transporting. Listed below. The largest scale of machinery and heavy equipment ever built. Moving the engine of Plantamin 140 power plant. Plantagate 140 power station. It is the largest power station in Nicaragua. You can do it. The company can provide the best service. The model is MOM18V 4860. Total capacity is 150 megawatts. The new diesel engine weighs 320 tons, 13 meters long and 5 meters wide, 6.6 meters high, 8 units in total. These engines need to be shipped from the port of Corinto, transported to a power plant 156 kilometers away. The machine first uses a hydraulic jack, raise them 1.2 meters, then load it onto spunt. Each spunt has 20 axles, 160 wheels in total, and connected to the truck, in order to transport the machine 156 kilometers from Puerto Clinto to Los Brazos. This journey is a huge logistical challenge. In transportation, fleets must stop frequently to avoid serious traffic jams. Transport work only takes place during the day. The temperature was as high as 40 degrees Celsius. Many cables also had to be cut and closed along the way, so that the trailer can pass. Throughout the transportation process, the convoy needs to cross about 60 bridges. Many of these bridges had to be reinforced beforehand. You can do it. Put on bridge. What makes this relocation project even more stressful is that volcanic activity is increasing. Therefore, the convoy must leave the volcanic area quickly. To ensure safety, after 7 days of shipping, loaded with fleet of diesel engines, finally arrived at the power plant in Los Brazos. Completion of the relocation project make Plantagate 140 power plant becomes the largest power plant in Nicaragua. To Boeing 727 aircraft handling, a PHL tool. A 200-ton Boeing 727 aircraft is planned to be from Cotswold Airport, relocating to Bristol, UK. After the plane arrives at its destination, its owner, there are plans to convert it into an office and event venues. 727 aircraft fuselage relocation start on a weekend. Since the fuselage is about 40 meters long, therefore, assistance from the local police is needed. You can do it. Transport trucks also have to pull over multiple times to avoid causing traffic jams. After arriving at the destination, Boeing 727 the fuselage is transferred to a pre-prepared container. This process is not easy either because 2 large cranes are needed to put it in place. 3 mining forklift trucks, heavy equipment such as mining forklifts. You can do it easily. The most popular mining shovels are Kunc made by Caterpillar 6060. Weight is 660 tons, equipped with a bucket with a capacity of 36 cubic meters. Usually, these heavy equipment are not intact when moved. Instead, it is transported in several parts. The biggest part is the chassis and chassis. Both can be up to meters wide. After arriving at destination, you can do it. Only then can the equipment be fully put into operation. However, if the relocation distance is short, mining shovels will remain intact for handling. For example, Komatsu Electric or Forklift 4.1 XBC. The device is 15 meters long. April 14th on July 14th. Weight diameter 1,600 tons because of its very wide. Therefore, the mining shovel will use 3 remote pressure drives. Multi-grain combinations for transportation. Transportation of for drilling machine. Railway across the river. You can do it easily. The most important core of the project, the hard part, is construction of 2 two-way underground tunnels with a total length of 5.9 kilometers. They need 2 units belonging to German companies, Heronic and TBM. Tunnel boring machine. Before starting to build the tunnel, in North Brisbane, CS Hyranet was built. TBM, LC and Marl. They have the same specifications. After assembling and inspecting the machine is completed, TBM support tool. For transport to the job site, moving these TBM parts takes a long time. TBM machine to 1.5. Diameter 7.2 meters. 5.2 meter high grab shield. The handling of these TBM parts is carried out at night to avoid traffic jams. Although it only takes 1 night to move the TBM, but planning and preparation took 6 months. The most difficult challenge of this transportation is, when turning at an intersection, the trailer must move forward and backward repeatedly. You can do it. Another challenge is, when the trailer passes through the viaduct, TBM company. Only about 20 centimeters. 5 things that can be done. Albert Canal. It is a very important waterway in Belgium. $4,000 images. Shipping via the Albert Canal. To make transportation smoother, its management. Albert Canal expansion project launched. In this expansion project, 2 railway bridges to be demolished and replaced with a new bridge. The new arch bridge is 9.1 meters higher than the old bridge. Bridges near the canal will also be reduced from the original 50 meters, widened to 86 meters. The arch bridge weighs 1,550 tons. For ease of installation, both ends of the bridge are loaded on spunt. Spunt is a support tool. The barge then rotates the bridge through the canal. You can do it. then demolish the remaining old bridge. Expansion and modernization project of the Albert Canal cost approximately 841 billion euros. Interestingly, during the installation of the new bridge, railway traffic has been operating normally. 6 Brook Bridge moving. The next bridge to be relocated. It's Brook Bridge in the Netherlands. It's 85 years old. The vaulted section to be relocated weighs 5.0 yn. For this purpose, the local government cooperates with Memo Company. Help with relocation projects. Remember it, you can do it easily. To be able to carry weights up to 5.0. Memo it is a useful tool. The upper part is installed on the arch bridge. The lower part is installed on the barge, then the gantry on the bridge. Connected to the gantry on the barge. The barge containing the bridge section was then dismantled. This is done to allow more boats to pass through the bridge. Part of the bridge will be shipped to final destination, Sudan Terminal. Carry out demolition.